Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. I have a really fun video for you guys today. I'm going to show you how to make these super cute custom baby tees for less than $5, and it's all thanks to my Cricut Joy. So thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Look how baby and small and cute this thing is. So I made this shirt I think like a week ago, and I've been wearing it every day ever since, and I was really excited that Cricut wanted to sponsor a video where I can show you guys how I make these little baby tees. Baby tees are probably the #1 thing I'm always wearing, and it's really rare for me to come across a baby tee with a design I actually like to thrift or that's within my budget. I'm not spending $100 on a baby tee, that's just crazy to me. So to be able to completely customize the graphics on these and get them the exact size I like is my dream. So happy with how these turned out. They're perfect for birthday presents or birthday parties if you want to match all your friends. Once you see how dumb easy, I know I always say my thrift flips are dumb easy, but you guys, dumb easy. You're gonna be obsessed and not stop. I was gonna do my makeup and hair before filming this intro, but I've literally been just using my Cricut all day and making so many fun projects. With that being said, let's just get into the crafting. I want you guys to see how amazing this little machine is and how it's quickly going to take over my entire wardrobe.
For this project, you're going to need the Cricut Joy Smart Iron on Vinyl, and an iron. There are some other things I use later, but they're totally optional. Before I show you how to cut, I wanted to show you how I made some of my designs in Cricut Design Space. I found a lot of my images from Pinterest, but this picture is a screen grab from the manga Banana Fish. I never knew the Cricut could do such intricate work, but it really surprised me with this. I uploaded my image into Cricut Design Space, chose the simple image type, since I'll just be cutting it out and only using one color, and removed my background and whatever lines I didn't want to be cut. And that was it. You could literally do this with any image ever from anywhere. The Cricut Joy is literally so easy to use and set up. Projects only take around 15 minutes, if that. This video is really not going to be a how-to, but more of inspo, because I don't see a lot of people with my style or making the same crafts that I would want to putting out videos, and I just want to show how useful and easy this Cricut is, because I was really intimidated at first and there's no reason to be. So I repeated that process with all the images I want to use today. So all you have to do is create a new project and go into your recent uploads. I'm choosing the Vivienne Westwood sign, and I place that on my shirt, mostly for reference, as you'd place it on your shirt after it's totally cut out. But this is where you choose the size of how it will come out. Then, since I'm using smart vinyl, I choose without matte. I make sure to mirror the image since it's going to be ironed on. And then I set my base material, which is the iron-on. I load in my smart iron-on vinyl, and then I just get to cutting. The Cricut literally does everything for me. And once it's done, I just take out my vinyl, and you can see where it's been perfectly cut out. I cut off the excess, and then I take this tool from Cricut and I work my way to peel off any material that I don't want on my final shirt. And there's my first stencil ready for my baby tee. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process to make all the other stencils I want and show you how I apply them at the end. The Cricut Joy is absolutely perfect for me with how small, compactable, and travel friendly it is. You can get Cricut Design Space on your laptop, but there's also a mobile version, making the Cricut Joy actually able to go anywhere. This part gets pretty repetitive, but honestly, just watching it print and peeling back the stickers is really satisfying and fun to watch, so I thought I'd leave it in for you guys. Okay, but this is something different. I'm using Cricut Design Space to actually design something this time. Obviously, it's going to be a lot more simple than the other ones I was doing, but I thought it'd be really funny to have a shirt that just says I love my boyfriend, and it ended up not fitting on the baby tee, so you'll see it turns into I love my BF, but I just think it's so funny and like dumb, like those old mall t-shirts you would get. I want this to be the entire back of the shirt, and obviously it's too big for my Cricut Joy. So if you want something to be a bigger design, all you have to do is each letter out one by one. It obviously takes a little bit longer, but it's still totally worth it for the outcome. And then I also wanted to say that you don't have to use a full piece every time you're using the Cricut Joy, so you're not wasting any vinyl. I was using scraps to make sure I could get every letter to fit out of the roll I had. And now for the actual application, all you have to do is place your stencil on your t-shirt with the shiny side up. I put down a piece of parchment paper and then I iron on for 30 seconds. Take off the parchment paper and the heat, leave it for another 30 seconds to cool, and then I peel off that transparent layer and you're done. And that is it. I wanted to show you guys the fit of these baby tees. These are just little boys Hanes baby tees in a size large. I thrift them every time I go to the thrift store because I always wear them, and now I'm going to be picking them up even more to print on them endlessly. I can't believe how cute these all turned out and how easy this was. You guys, this can save you so much money on those disgustingly expensive baby tees. These are all machine washable. The prints don't feel like they're going anywhere, and these shirts are definitely not going anywhere but my closet. I can't believe how cute these are.
And that's it for this video. If I look the same as the intro, it's because I just filmed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making these little baby tees. I'll have the designs I used linked down below for you guys to download. But it's literally so easy to find designs on Pinterest, and basically any design is compatible if you just fine-tune it a little bit in the Cricut Studio Space like I showed you guys. Thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out the description box for all the links down below. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.